Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adopting intellectual humility. That mindset primes you to ask instead of assert. Start with a single clear question and list 2-4 beliefs connected to it so you know what to test. Once done, schedule focused 15-30-minute inquiry blocks. Brief spans keep you curious and prevent defensiveness. Make sure to note immediate uncertainties, those are leads. This setup gets you asking precise questions rather than making unsupported claims, which is the first practical move toward thinking like Socrates. You now probe each assumption with targeted questions. What exactly do you mean? Why do you believe it? And how would you justify it to a skeptic? Once you isolate an assumption, search for concrete examples and exceptions. Contradictions reveal weakness. Make sure to replace vague words with precise definitions so answers aren't sliding past your scrutiny. As you move through each assumption, take short notes on shifts in confidence. This iterative testing converts abstract debate into disciplined discovery and clearer beliefs. You finish by synthesizing refined views into provisional theses that you can defend or discard. Then design simple tests or short dialogues aimed to falsify those theses. Try to find counterexamples or play devil's advocate. Once done, record how your confidence changed and plan the next inquiry cycle. If you get stuck or feel circular, ask, which single premise, if false, would topple my conclusion? That troubleshooting question exposes the pivot point and keeps the Socratic process honest and actionable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.